Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Here we explore the fascinating world of nutrition and its impact on our overall health. Today we're exploring the top 5 foods that can supercharge your brain, focusing on the powerful role of antioxidants in enhancing brain function. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. Are you looking to boost your focus and improve memory recall? This video reveals the top 5 brain-boosting foods that can supercharge your brain, enhance antioxidants, and improve overall brain function. Stay tuned to learn how to optimize your diet for ultimate cognitive performance and mental clarity. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of brain-boosting foods. Have you ever wondered how what you eat can impact your brain's performance? Stick around as we uncover the top 5 foods that can supercharge your focus and memory recall. Nutrition is crucial in supporting brain health, as consuming foods directly impacts our cognitive abilities, memory, and overall mental well-being. Just like our bodies need fuel to function optimally, our brains require specific nutrients to perform at their best. Incorporating the right foods into our diet can boost our brain power and protect against cognitive decline. Poor diet choices can often be the culprit behind these challenges, leaving us feeling unfocused and forgetful. But fear not. The solution lies in the power of the right foods. Antioxidants are vital in brain health, as they help combat oxidative stress and inflammation that can damage brain cells over time. These potent compounds neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases and promoting healthy brain aging. By including antioxidant-rich foods in our diet, we can enhance our cognitive function, improve memory retention, and sharpen our focus. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 foods packed with antioxidants and other brain-boosting nutrients to help you supercharge your cognitive abilities. From vibrant berries to nutrient-dense leafy greens, we'll uncover the delicious and nutritious options that can support your brain health and enhance your mental performance. Get ready to discover the science-backed benefits of incorporating these superfoods into your daily meals and snacks. Whether you want to improve your concentration, enhance your memory, or nourish your brain for long-term health, these nutrient-rich foods will impress. Join us on this exciting journey as we unlock the secrets of nutrition for brain health and empower you to make informed choices that will benefit your mind and body. Let's dive in and explore the incredible world of foods that can supercharge your brain and elevate your cognitive function. Blueberries. Brain-boosting berries. Blueberries are a true superfood powerhouse when it comes to enhancing brain health and cognitive function. These tiny, vibrant berries are delicious and packed with antioxidants that play a crucial role in supporting brain function and protecting against cognitive decline. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids, specifically anthocyanins, which have been shown to have neuroprotective properties. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. By incorporating blueberries into your diet, you can provide your brain with the protection it needs to stay sharp and healthy. One of the most impressive benefits of blueberries for brain health is their ability to improve memory and concentration. Studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries can enhance cognitive function, boost memory retention, and improve overall mental performance. The powerful antioxidants in blueberries work to enhance communication between brain cells, promoting optimal brain function and cognitive abilities. There are plenty of creative ways to incorporate blueberries into your daily diet to reap their maximum brain-boosting benefits. Add a handful of fresh blueberries to your morning oatmeal or yogurt for a delicious and nutritious breakfast boost. Blend blueberries into smoothies for a refreshing and brain-boosting snack, or sprinkle them on top of salads for a burst of flavor and antioxidants. Try baking blueberry muffins or incorporating blueberries into homemade granola bars for a sweet treat that's also good for your brain. The possibilities are endless for incorporating these brain-boosting berries into your meals and snacks. Making blueberries a regular part of your diet can nourish your brain, improve cognitive function, and support long-term brain health. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Salmon, omega-3 powerhouse. Salmon is often hailed as an omega-3 powerhouse, and for good reason. This fatty fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, essential for brain health and cognitive function. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of brain cell membranes and promoting optimal communication between brain cells. The omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon play a key role in enhancing brain function by supporting neuroplasticity and the brain's ability to form new connections and adapt to changing environments. These essential fats have been linked to improved memory, concentration, and overall cognitive skills. Including salmon in your diet can give your brain the nutrients it needs to function at its best. In addition to its omega-3 content, salmon boasts anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit brain health. Chronic inflammation in the brain has been linked to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. Still, the anti-inflammatory compounds in salmon can help reduce inflammation and protect against brain-related disorders. When it comes to cooking with salmon, there are plenty of delicious and brain-boosting options to explore. Try grilling or baking salmon fillets with a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of herbs for a simple and flavorful meal. Add salmon to salads, wraps, or sandwiches for a nutritious and satisfying lunch. Experiment with making salmon burgers or patties, using fresh herbs and spices for a creative twist. For a protein-packed and brain-boosting meal, add salmon to pasta dishes, stir-fries, or grain bowls. By getting creative in the kitchen and incorporating salmon into your diet in various ways, you can enjoy the cognitive benefits of this omega-3 powerhouse fish, while savoring delicious and nutritious meals. Avocado. Healthy fats for brain health. Avocados are delicious and versatile fruits that support brain function and cognitive performance. They are nutrient-dense foods packed with healthy fats that can nourish the brain and promote optimal cognitive abilities. The healthy fats in avocados, mainly monounsaturated fats like oleic acid, play a crucial role in brain nourishment. These fats help support the structure and function of brain cell membranes, allowing for efficient communication between brain cells and enhancing cognitive function. In addition to healthy fats, avocados are rich in vitamins and avocados are a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect brain cells from oxidative damage and inflammation. They also contain folate, a B vitamin crucial in cognitive function and mood regulation. The possibilities are endless when it comes to creative avocado recipes that can enhance brain function. Start your day with a nutrient-packed avocado toast, topped with eggs and a sprinkle of brain-boosting herbs like cilantro or parsley. Blend avocados into smoothies for a creamy and nutritious treat that can help fuel your brain throughout the day. Try making avocado-stuffed sweet potatoes or quinoa bowls with avocado slices for a satisfying and brain-boosting lunch or dinner. Avocado can also be used as a creamy and healthy substitute for mayonnaise in sandwiches and wraps, adding healthy fats and flavor to your meals. By incorporating avocados into your diet in creative and delicious ways, you can enjoy the cognitive benefits of this nutrient-rich fruit while nourishing your brain for optimal performance. Dark chocolate. Antioxidant-rich indulgence. Dark chocolate is not just a decadent treat. It's also a brain-boosting powerhouse packed with antioxidants that can enhance cognitive function and support overall brain health. The antioxidants found in dark chocolate, particularly flavonoids like epicatechin, have been shown to have neuroprotective properties that benefit brain function. The antioxidants in dark chocolate improve brain function by increasing blood flow to the brain and enhancing cognitive abilities such as memory, focus, and problem-solving skills. These potent compounds also help protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, reducing the risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. Enjoying dark chocolate in moderation can give your brain a delicious and nutritious boost. In addition to its antioxidant content, dark chocolate has been linked to improved mood and cognitive abilities. Dark chocolate contains compounds that can stimulate the production of endorphins, the feel-good hormones that can enhance mood and reduce stress. The caffeine and theobromine in dark chocolate can also provide a subtle energy boost and improve alertness, making it a perfect pick-me-up for when you need a mental boost. Moderation is vital when enjoying dark chocolate for brain health. Opt for dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, 70% or higher, to maximize its antioxidant benefits and minimize added sugars. Choose high-quality dark chocolate from reputable brands to ensure you get the most nutritional value from your indulgence. To incorporate dark chocolate into your diet for brain-boosting benefits, try adding dark chocolate shavings to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie bowls for a delicious and nutritious twist. Indulge in a square or two of dark chocolate as a satisfying and brain-boosting snack, or use dark chocolate in baking recipes for a decadent treat that can also support your cognitive function. By savoring dark chocolate mindfully and in moderation, you can enjoy its antioxidant-rich indulgence while nourishing your brain for optimal health and performance. Whether you enjoy them as part of a balanced meal or as a satisfying snack, these nutrient-rich foods can help you unlock your brain's full potential and support long-term brain health. Remember to like this video if you found it informative, share it with your friends and family looking to boost their brain health, and subscribe to our channel for more brain-healthy content and tips. Together, let's empower our minds and bodies with the power of nutrition for optimal brain function. Thank you for watching.